Hello everyone, how are you all? My name is Ekta. I'm super excited to share this information that this video is going to be different because you will learn some tricks or tips to calculate tables. Let's watch the video and do our best to learn and share this trick with your family or friends as well. If you are new to our channel, it's a request to subscribe. Here is the table of 3. So 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, 3 5 is 15, 3 6 is 18, 3 7 is 21, 3 8 is 24, 3 9 is 27 and 3 10 is 30. So let's take a grid box of 3 by 3. Fill the grid with numbers 1 to 9. Write the number 1 at bottom left column of third row. Then let's go up and write the number 2 and 3. All the numbers have been written in our grid box. Now let's apply the trick. Write the number 0 at first row. So the numbers are 03, 06 and 09. The trick has been applied to the first row. Now let's move to the next row, that is the second row. Add number 1 before 2, 5 and 8. So the numbers have become 12, 15 and 18. Move to the third row. In third row, we will add number 2 before number 1, 4 and 7. So the numbers we get are 21, 24 and 27. As you can see that we have applied the whole trick on a grid. Now let's check the grid and the table of 3. I hope all the numbers are same in grid and the table of the 3. What can you learn from Ekta Kamra? Anyone can learn it fast and you can practice on daily basis and you can make your mind fast in calculation. So keep watching the Ekta Kamra channel to know more tips and tricks. Are you excited to learn more tricks for a table of 13? Watch the next video to learn the table of 13. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It's Ekta Kamra. In the end, I would like to say thanks for watching. I love to see your comments and keep learning.